In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cash on delivery or COD on Shopify. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, look toward the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Next, click on Payments. Inside the Payment section, scroll down until you find Manual Payment Methods. Now click Add Manual Payment Method. From the available options, select Cash on Delivery COD. After selecting it, you can customize the payment method name if you want. Next, add additional details or instructions for customers, such as paying with exact cash at delivery or any extra COD charges. You can also add payment instructions that customers will see during checkout. Once everything is filled out, click Activate Cash on Delivery COD. Your COD payment option is now enabled and customers will be able to select it during checkout. To make sure everything is working properly, you can visit your store and test the checkout process yourself. And that's it. You've successfully added cash on delivery to your Shopify store, giving customers another convenient payment option. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Shopify.